Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a math solution. So the topic we are going to discuss is from area, and we are going to solve the question, which is the question is that a painting 8 cm long and 5 cm wide is painted on a cardboard such that there is a margin of 1.5 cm along each of its side. So find the total area of the margin. So you can watch figure there. So there is two rectangle, one is small and big one. So the length of big rectangle is given there 8 cm, and in same way breadth is given 5 cm, and the margin is 1.5 cm along with its side. So first of all we have to see the figure in big rectangle. So area equals to L into B. We know that the formula to find the area of rectangle is L into B. That's why in big rectangle area equals to L into B. So in our figure, length L is given 8 cm and breadth B is given 5 cm respectively, and again we are using the formula L into B, which is the formula of area of rectangle. So L is 5 cm and breadth is 5 cm. So we keep the value of L, that is 8, and value of breadth, that is 5. So 8 5s are 40, and our unit is centimeter. That's why we are writing here centimeter square, and we know very well that the unit of area is in square. So again in a small rectangle, so was the figure clearly that the margin is the main thing in this figure, and you have to understand this, that 1.5 cm is along with its all side, means in 4 part there is 1.5 cm. That's why in a small rectangle, so length equals to, as the length of big rectangle is 8 and margin is given 1.5 cm all of its side. That's why the length of small rectangle will be 8 minus, because margin is 4 side left, so 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3 cm, because margin is all of the 4 side. That's why length is of 2 side. That's why 1.5 plus 1.5 centimeters will be subtracted from the length of the big rectangle. That's why 8 minus 3 equals to 5 centimeters. So in a small rectangle the length equals to 5 centimeter. In same way again for breadth, and we know that the breadth of big rectangle is given 5 centimeter, and margin is 1.5 centimeter along of its all side. That's why the breadth is of 2 side. That's why 1.5 plus 1.5 centimeter should be subtracted from the length breadth of the big rectangle. That's why 5 minus 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 3. So 5 minus 3 centimeter equals to 2 centimeter. Again, so area equals to, we know the formula again, length into breadth. That's why 5 into 2 equals 2. So 5 2s are 10. So 10 centimeter square is the area of small. 10 centimeter square is the area of small rectangle. Again we know that the margin is between the small rectangle and big rectangle. So again total surface area of margin equals to area of big rectangle minus area of small rectangle, and we know that we have found already the area of big rectangle is 40 centimeter square, and in same way the area of small rectangle is 10 centimeter square. That's why 40 centimeter square minus 10 centimeter square equals to 30 centimeter square. Hence the total surface area of margin part is 30 centimeter square. Thank you for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe the channel.